Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today we will be unboxing my new ultimate favorite figurine, the Vegeta. This is a Dragonballz figure by Banpresto Manga Dimensions, which is part of their Masterstarspiece series. This is the front of the box where you get a glimpse of the figure. The top has info on joining the Banpresto Point Club. The right and left has a cool view of the Saiyan Prince. The back of the box has a picture of the figure. After opening the top flap, you can slide out the figure in its protective packaging. You can rest assured it will arrive safely. Slicing the tape on the right gains us access to the figure. Here we have Vegeta in all his glory. And what sets this apart from the other figures is that the paintwork on this is cell shaded. Fun fact: cell shading is a shading technique used in cartoons and comic books. By using chunky simple colors rather than subtle gradients, this basically flattens out the shape while making it pop at the same time. For a quick size comparison, here is Vegeta from one of my previous unboxings. I will leave a link in the description if you have not checked it out. Taking a look at his facial expression gives you a perfect example of the level of detail in this figure. The creases in his clothes, the well-sculpted muscles, and the incredible yellow hair synonymous with the Super Saiyan transformation further enhances this figure's impressiveness. All in all, if you're a Vegeta fan and able to source this figure, I highly recommend you check this out, as you owe it to yourself to have this part of your collection. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to M for getting me this figure. I love it and I can't wait to add it to my collection. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below who is your favorite DBZ character.